A missing 20-volt signal at the control board terminal when the thermostat is calling usually points to a wiring or shorting issue between the thermostat and the furnace control board. Start by confirming the thermostat is actually calling heat or cool by observing the stat display and listening for any click when you change the set point. Turn off power to the system and remove the thermostat cover to inspect the wiring. Look for broken conductors, frayed insulation, or corroded wire ends, and feel gently along the wire run for kinks or sharp bends that could have internal breaks. While power is off, use the spare conductor method by moving an unused colored wire, such as brown, to the relevant thermostat terminal and secure it at both ends. Restore power and test for 20-volt presence to isolate whether the original conductor is bad. At the control board end, check that terminals are straight, pins are not pushed back, and screw clamps hold wire strands firmly. A loose or pushback terminal can prevent continuity without any visible break. Verify the low voltage fuse on the furnace control board is intact. Remove and test it with the multimeter or swap it with an identical known good fuse, because a failed fuse will drop all control voltage. If you have a multimeter, measure for voltage between the transformer common and the R or hot terminal at the control board and at the thermostat end to localize the drop. If voltage is present at the board but absent at the thermostat, the fault is in the wiring run or connections. When replacing wire, strip to expose clean copper, twist strands, and under the screw clamp, orient the bare conductor so that tightening draws it in rather than pushing it out. Common mistakes include assuming the thermostat is bad without checking the wiring first, which wastes time and money. So always test for voltage at both ends before replacing the stat. Another issue is relying on visual inspection only. A wire can be internally broken, so use a spare conductor swap or continuity check to confirm integrity. People also overlook the low voltage fuse on the control board and then replace multiple parts unnecessarily, so always test or replace the fuse early in your troubleshooting sequence. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals and offering a discussion community where users and contractors can ask technical questions and share experiences. We use the site to connect homeowners with work opportunities and to let contractors find projects and join conversations with peers.